his help in Jesus' name.
I would recommend that you pause it now and go ahead and try and solve it yourself. Come back and see if you did it correctly. Or you can watch this all the way through and then you can go back and try and solve it yourself. Keep on trying to solve these things until you get it. It'll click just all of a sudden, like, then all of a sudden you understand balancing equations. Alright, the K's, potassiums. Here we have K, a coefficient of 1. Nothing listed there, so it's a coefficient of 1 and a subscript of 1. So, what we're going to do is 1 times 1 equals 1. And chlorine is 1 times 2 equals 2. Please keep in mind the parentheses there. Those are for multiplication symbols, okay? I don't like using dots or X's to represent multiplication. Alright, so, okay, on the product side, or right-hand side, 1 times 1 is 1. CLs, 1 times 1 is 1. Or you can do it the longhand fashion, coefficient of 1 times a subscript of 1 equals 1. Coefficient of 1 times the subscript of 1 equals 1. Now, there's a very good chance you already know how to solve this. If you have 1K on this side and 1K on this side, that's good. You're solid. You don't have to balance that. But if you change something else, it might change your K's. That's a very important thing. Then you got to come back and readjust it. 2 chlorines on the reactant side, only 1 chlorine over here. Oh! So, I have to change a coefficient. Please be saying no to what I'm going to say next. Can I change a subscript? Come on, it's so easy. I just had to put a number right here. I just have to put a 2 in its balance. Please say no, otherwise you get attacked by a marker. No, I'm not going through that again. Imagine me getting attacked by a marker because I'm trying to change that number there, the subscript. No. And also be saying no to this. Can I put a number in between here? Please be saying no. Well, I'm going to anyway, because I want to. I'm going to be stubborn about it. Remember, you can only change a coefficient number in front. Well, I'm going to put a number here. I'm going to put the number 2, because then I'm going to be balanced. No, you get attacked by a marker. It's awful. Awful. Imagine that. No, do not do that. You have to change the coefficient, please. The number in front here, you have to change this number in front. Alright, I'm not going to do that again. Alright, well, I'm going to change the coefficient to this whole compound. Put a coefficient of 2 in front. Ah, now we change the K's. The K's have changed. So now we have 2 times 1 for 2 K's on this side. Now we have 2 times 1 for chlorines, which gives us 2 chlorines. Yay! We have 2 chlorines on the products, reactant side and 2 chlorines on the product side. Yay! But Houston, we have a problem. We have 2 K's on the product side, the right-hand side. We only have 1 on this side, so what do? Please say we change the coefficient. We change the coefficient, we change the coefficient. So, we're going to change the coefficient, just like you said. Coefficient of 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. A balanced equation. We have 2 K's on the reactant side, 2 K's on the product side, 2 CL's on the reactant side, and 2 CL's on the product side. Yay! A balanced equation. Pretty easy so far, I hope. Thank you. I have to wash up again. Hold on one second.